Good morning, guys, and welcome back to another Vlogmas. I don't even know what day we are now. Like, literally, like I said, I've lost count. Yeah, so we're just in it. Today is, I don't know what kind of day today is gonna be, because I am gonna be going to, it's called Ted's Feed Store. Yeah, Ted's Feed Store with Honey. It's basically like a store for people who own, well, cats, dogs, but like more farm type animals like horses, pigs, stuff like that. So I think we're gonna go get some hay, and then too, I think he's gonna be putting some hay in the kennel that we have for the dogs. We just trying to like winterize it because it'll be getting cold. Right now it's like 40, but it'll be getting colder, so we'll have to just girl, why would you sit straight on my foot? I guess we're gonna need to winterize it. And yeah, so actually my hair doesn't look this bad. I had a scarf on it and I slept with the scarf on, which is why this part is flat and the rest is like kind of crinkly. I woke up late, my fucking phone went dead, 2 of my nails broke. This one's already done, but this one just happened this morning. So yeah. It's the page out of my book of life, okay? I guess it'll be getting colder and snowing a little bit later on, so yeah. You ready? Okay. All right, y'all. I'll see y'all when we get to the store. Yeah. What the heck is a noodle spray? What is that? I guess you put it on top of the food, babe. Okay, thank you so much. So I'm watching Kyra. Basically I look weird today, like. So anyway, is it just me, or do y'all feel like some days y'all face change? Like, what the fuck is wrong with me? Anyway, so we did Ted's Feed Store, and I'm looking like a bum right now because I'm just really chilling around the house. I'm about to maybe sew something. I'm really feeling like maybe I want to sew something up, maybe like a pant and a top, or at least start working on the pant, you know, so I can perfect my legging and pant construction, I guess I would say. But anyway, I think I want to do that. I do have my matcha that's pretty much gone. Okay, Lulu is back there click clacking around. I actually want some food. Where is she? Oh, she's back there. I actually want some food, but I really don't know what I want. But what's most important that I need to prioritize and do right now is actually edit, period. I need to do that so that I can get my video out by 6 o'clock today, because I have another one to edit after this. So okay, so that's what I'll do. I'll start editing first, and then hey Lulu, hi, hello. No, it's fine. I'm literally counting on my last assignments. She gave me a 192 out of 200, which at this point I don't fucking care about the 8 points because I just want out of this class. But so far I still have an A. I have like a 98% in the class. A. It's easy, but I'm just a perfectionist like that. When it comes down to my grades and stuff, I feel like that's like a big deal. And my mom always instilled that in us, like no matter what, make sure your school shit is taken care of, because that's what's gonna make you your money. Although nowadays that's not necessarily true, but I think it's like a personal accomplishment for me. Like I need to just get really good grades, and you know I want some scholarships too, so you know that's playing a part in it. Anyway, I still have a 98% in the class, so that's pretty much done. I gotta respond to 2 peers, and that's the last thing I have to do in this class. I'm done. You're done for. Then I go on Christmas break, baby. Anyway, my house is, well, it's not that bad. It's just I got clothes on the couch that I really need to fold. That's not gonna get done right now, okay, because I'm doing other shit. So let me start editing. Okay, so how about I just did a whole little skit, okay? And the fucking memory card wasn't even in my camera. Like, what's wrong with me? Okay, so, okay, I got a bonnet on my head because I just did my skincare. But it's this shirt that I got. And see, this the worst shit they could have did was taught me how to sew baby, okay? Because everything must go. Okay, so I got this shirt from Dolls Kill. Y'all know that's one of my favorite stores. It's a poster girl shirt, right? It's see-through. I'm definitely wearing it today. I don't give a damn, okay? But oh, and the sleeves are like you stick your fingers through the sleeves. I really like that for the look that I'm going for today. I'm gonna make it kind of long, but I'm wondering, does anybody care for me to do a TikTok on it? Like, do y'all want a TikTok or not? Here, so I gotta cut this much of it off. Yeah. Okay, let's do it. These are the behind the scenes that people don't see with the sewing. That shit gets on your fucking nerves sometimes. So I'm watching Naturally Sunny, but I'm also about to eat too because I fucking haven't had anything. So I have some tacos. Actually, they're like street size tacos. Super small. And I can't even go through this. They do look a little hard, and some of them look a little burnt. They good. This is a chicken and vegetable dumpling. Let me show y'all. It's this one by Bibigo, something like that. But this one is really good.
And the job that you want. Taking advantage of this connection gives you more leverage when applying for jobs and is a solid way to get your foot in the door.
What other networking tips do you?
Y'all, It is literally snowing like a motherfucking blizzard out here, okay? I don't think it's sticking to the ground though, so that's a good thing, but it's happening. Now they playing music downstairs, and hopefully y'all can't hear it because it is copyrighted music clearly. But this is how it came out. I had one whiskey sour and this how I act. It's ridiculous. There's anything I could dream up, I could do, and I'm just learning that about myself. Like, it's just getting to the point where anything I feel like I want to try, I do try it. Because I feel like God allows me to succeed at everything I try. It's just a matter of what I like. Like, I'm a very artistic person, I would say. So I want to like make different clothes. I want to look different. I want to just have like different vibes, like all the way across the board. So sewing is a great thing for me because I feel like I could customize, personalize, and yeah, personalize anything that I have, anything that I wear, anything that I own. So yeah, now the stitching is a little wonky, but that's a part of the learning process because now I know if I'm working with this type of material, I don't, maybe the tension don't need to be so high. Like, I don't know. So, but it kind of give it like a rugged look to it.
Fuck that, Joffrey!
What? Child. Anyway, so
it kind of give it like a rugged look, so it look kind of like how my leggings look with that outer seam. It kind of give that too. So
I think you're beautiful, baby. Do your thing. Do your thing. Yeah.
really,
Yeah.
I really feel confident about this. Like, I like how it's kind of like, you know what I'm saying, not super duper tight. It's giving definitely like rocker girl vibes, which I've been on that vibe lately, if y'all notice, especially with like my bantu knots and my what are they, like knee-high boots that I have, the platform ones. So I really just been on my, you know what I'm saying, my Willow Smith lately. Don't play with me, baby. What is this damn weather? The fuck? Good grief. It's just straight snow. I said earlier it wasn't sticking, I lied. It's very much stuck. I just really don't even feel like okay then. Oh my gosh, I couldn't see you. I'm sorry, I couldn't see you. Girl, help me. Whoa, I didn't see him. He literally had on the lightest colors you could possibly have, okay? And he was Caucasian-esque. Baby, I'm not gonna see you in the snow. I'm not gonna see you. I'm so sorry. All I saw was something moving, something very white moving. I'm like, oh shit. Then when it was a person, I'm like, help me. I didn't mean to do it. So what's this shit about Diddy got another baby? Like, what's up, go on? These men, don't get me wrong, I love me some black men. I really, really do. I'm not attracted to no other race of men like I'm attracted to all black men. And that's, I'm dead ass. But y'all be doing some shit, baby. Y'all be doing some shit that's like, did I ask you to do that? Did anybody ask your ass to do the shit that you doing? No. Now the shit that I ask you to do, you can't do. But the shit that I don't ask you to do, you do. Make it make sense. Where you gonna put yours at? Oh, you gonna put it up high. Okay. pray for. That's what it's like loving you. Finished. It's chicken, rice, and then I made gravy, but I did it with whole wheat flour, so I don't know. We finna try this. And I had some corn, so I just threw something together real quick because I'm hungry. Okay, so I'm watching, what is this, Kindred on Hulu. I look crazy. Kindred on Hulu. Okay, this is good. I like that it's psychological, like it play with your head. So now my head is like, what's going on here? What is this? It seemed like she be going through dimensions, and she like sometimes wake up in slavery days, or she disappear from today I guess, and go back in time. And so she ended up running into her mom back in time, like in slavery days. So her mom was like, girl, how old are you now? So the question she was asking her was leading her to believe that the mama is alive. But how you alive and you in slavery days, but you her mama from today? So as this unfolding, it's playing with my head. Yes, and on that note, y'all, this is the end of the vlog. Who goes there? Show yourself. Not for real this time. Good night.
Ho, ho, ho.